Yes, students, now we are going to start with exercise 14.3. In this sum, the data is given for female death, reproductive health 31.8, neuro conditions 25.4, injuries 12.4, cardiac condition 4.3, respiratory conditions 4.1, and other causes are 22. This is the first sum. Clear? And in the statement it is given you are to draw the bar graph of this data. How you will draw the bar graph? See, you will draw the bar graph on graph paper, though I am doing it on board, but you will draw this in graph paper. Clear? So in bar graph, see, your highest value is 31.8. So after 10 box you will mark 10, then 20, 30 and 40. You will leave 10 very small box for 10. Clear? It means one very small box will represent 1 unit. Clear? So first is reproductive health 31.8. You will start from 0. Leave 10 boxes. 31.8 means this is 31.8. Clear? 31.8 means approximately 32. So 2 boxes above 30. Clear? Then neuro conditions 25.4. Leave 10 boxes and cover your graph in 10 box. Clear? Now I am leaving 10 box. 25.4 is 20 and 5 boxes above 20. This is 25.4. Next is injuries 12.4. I am leaving 10 boxes and making the graph in 10 box. 12.4. 2 boxes above 10. This is 12.4. Next is cardiac condition 4.3. I am leaving 10 boxes and making the graph in 10 box 4.3. Clear? Then respiratory conditions are 4.1. Leave 10 box, make the graph, and same with other causes 22. The 20 plus 2 means I am leaving 10 boxes and making the graph in 10 box 22. 20 and 2, 22. Clear? Here you will write reproductive health, then neuro conditions, then injuries. You can write in the graph as well. Cardiac conditions, then respiratory conditions, and last is other causes. Other causes. Now the question in the statement is, which is the major cause of female death? Highest frequency. You will write the answer reproductive health is the major cause female death. Clear? Give a 1 minute review to this sum thoroughly. Yes, students, now I am going to start with sum number 2 of exercise 14.3. Girls per 1000 boys in different sections of the society is given. Number of girls per 1000 boys. So the schedule caste 940, schedule tribe 970, non-SC, ST is 920, backward districts 990, non-backward district 920, rural 930 and urban 910. You need to draw the bar graph. Bar graph. Bar graph. What you will do? Origin, x-axis and y-axis. See students, since the statement is in 900, it doesn't mean you will start from 900. Clear? You will start from 100. Leave 10 box, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. Clear? And how will you draw the graph? SC 940. Leave 10 box and then start it. 940 means 900 plus 4 boxes. This is 940. SC. Then ST 970. 900 plus 7 boxes. 970. This is ST. Then non-SC and ST 920. 920. 900 and 2 boxes. 920. Non-SC and ST. Clear? Then backward districts 990. 900 plus 9 boxes. This is 990. Backward districts. Then non-backward districts is 920. 920. Non-backward districts. And finally rural 930. 930. 903 boxes. Last 910 that you will plot yourself. Clear? Here you will show section. Here is number of girls, bar graph, scale, 1 centimeter represent 100 units. Give a 1 minute review to this sum thoroughly. Yes students, now I am going to start with the third sum of exercise 14.3. Political parties and their seats which they have won in the election is given. Party A has got 75 votes, B has got 55, C has got 37, D 29, E 10 and F 37. You are to draw the bar graph of this data. Draw the bar graph. How you will start the bar graph? You know, firstly we will draw the axis, origin, x and y. Then highest value is 75. So leave 10 box, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80 by leaving 10 boxes. Then first value is 75. Party A is 75. It means 70 and 5 box above 70, that is 75. This is party A. Then 50, B is 55. 50 and 5 box above 50. Leave 5 boxes. Then party C 37. 30 and 7 boxes above it. Party C is 37. You will draw the graph in 10 box and leave 10 boxes for in between. Then 29, 20 and 9 boxes above 20, that is 29. This is party D. Party E is 10. E party 10. Last F party is 37. 30 and 7 boxes above 30. 37 party F. Now your question is, see, you need to write the scale. Scale 1 centimeter represents 10 units. Clear? Here party, here is votes. Clear? So what is the question given in the statement? Which party has won the election? You will write the answer. Party A has maximum frequency. So party A has won the election. Clear? This is the answer for for part 2. Which party has won the election? Clear? Now give a 1 minute review to this sum thoroughly.